It's coming up. So when you come up, when you come in, you can come. So this is Bible, we use the Quran, but in Yoruba land, we actually believe that everybody don't need a rate here, like a rate, everybody don't need. So this talks about how we do naming ceremony in Yoruba land. So if you come in here, so what we have done here is that we have programmed different names here. When you click in this thing, it tells you the meaning. Like this, Akinyinka, I'm surrounded by warriors. So like that, different names with their Anikunle, one who death is in his house. Why this one talks about this is like the tales by like section. I said that's the Quran. So this is used for naming ceremony, actually. Yeah. So this is the story section. So what we have done here is that we believe that when you bring the tales, you should be able to listen to tales by moonlight. So this is actually like the tales by moonlight section. Let me see whether I can put it anywhere. Maybe before we go, I'll ask one of my colleagues to come and put it on. It tells you, you know, the normal time when we listen to tales. Yeah. The normal time when we listen to tales by moonlight during those days. So the same thing we have decided to program into this day. So when the children come, they can feel that tales by moonlight effect, and that's why we have these three here. Then when you come with me, you can come with me. So, majorly, it's just talking about craftsmanship. That's what this one talks about. Then when you move further, you can come. This is the marketplace. Oja. So this tells you. So if you listen to this, you'll be hearing market people. If you pay attention, you'll be hearing market people.
Will this always be on?
It will always be on. So when people come into the museum,
it runs 24 hours.
It runs 24 hours, depending on whoever is managing it. So if you can hear the so that's what we have decided to depict here, the market section. And like I told you before, the issue that we have depicted to be bad is not the same issue that the Isheshe people have depicted. So if you look at this, the Eshulalu itself is the guider of the market. So, and that is what all this place depicts. Then when we come into this place, so like I was telling you before, that when you come in like that, you see the Oba's palace. It's like you are coming. So this everything here depicts like what you can see in an Oba's palace, what you can see around the Oba. So this is like the Oba's palace. This is the divination of the Oba. Like this is Okmoifa here. This is the same issue. That's the same Oba also in Yoruba. So you know, so if you look at it when you come in from there and you look at it, you pay homage straight to the king. So that's what this has depicted. Then when you come in here, we'll go there. When you come in here, this the look. That's homage Ashoke. So this is taken for the fact that during those times, what do we wear? Is Ashoke, not all these contemporary clothes that we now wear now. Then this section talks about so this is the masquerade interactive section. So what we have depicted here is that, you know, different people with different masquerade. Different people, even if you go to the Lagos Island, you get different masquerade names. So what we have been able to depict here is the different masquerade, and all those things. So when you stand, when you stand in here, it's an interactive masquerade section. So it shows you like that. And this talks about look at this, if you look at this is King Sunny Ade. So these are like contemporary architectures. Look at this. That's what we have. About the machinery in the year 2050, the year 2040. Clear projection. So this is like present day Yoruba. If you look at this holistically, this is like present day Yoruba now. So from the present day Yoruba, we move into the future Yoruba section. Sorry, we have quite limited of time because you know it's a museum and it's going to be open. We have limited time, so we have to be the entrance fee. Well, the entrance fee is going to be fixed by the ministry. You know, it's just commissioned now, so I don't have details about that yet. So, like I said, this is the future Yoruba section. So this tells you what Yoruba will look like in 2050, 2060. Then the same thing we have here. Then from there, that's the exit. That's where you go. So you don't come up from there. You go